Stress isn't just a feeling, it's a full body, full brain response. When pressure builds, your brain shifts into survival mode, and that changes how you think, feel, and act. Here's what your brain is doing behind the scenes. First, your amygdala, the brain's internal alarm, surges into high alert. Under stress, it starts scanning for danger even when none is there, leaving you irritable, tense, or easily overwhelmed. Next, your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain that handles focus, decision-making, problem-solving, and emotional control. Its activity drops, which is why even simple decisions can feel harder and your thinking becomes less clear. Then your memory begins to blur. Stress hormones like cortisol interfere with the hippocampus, the part of your brain that stores and organizes memories, leaving you forgetful, unfocused, and mentally drained. Finally, your body stays locked in fight or flight. Your brain keeps releasing adrenaline and cortisol, helpful in the moment, but draining over time. What begins as a quick survival boost eventually leads to exhaustion, disrupted sleep, headaches, and a weakened immune system. So how do we healthily cope with stress? We start by working with our bodies instead of fighting them. Ground your body so your brain can settle. Slow breathing, gentle stretching, or even a short walk can shift your nervous system out of fight or flight and back into balance. Break tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This helps your prefrontal cortex regain control and reduces that sense of overwhelm. Stay connected. Reaching out to someone you trust helps calm the amygdala's alarm. And our nervous systems regulate stress far more effectively together than in isolation. Reduce the mental clutter. Constant news, social feeds, and notifications keep your brain on high alert. Even short breaks give your mind room to breathe. Build small daily rituals. Predictable routines give your brain a sense of stability, lowering stress signals and helping your system settle. Rest, even when you don't feel tired. Stress drains the brain's energy. Rest isn't laziness, it's how your system repairs itself. In conclusion, stress isn't a sign of weakness. It's your brain trying to protect you. Understanding what's happening inside your mind makes it easier to respond with compassion instead of frustration.